At Midton, we've received cycling-friendly funding. We have put that funding to good use with our amazing facilities here. We have 2 showers. As you can see, they're well equipped. We have our drying room for our cyclists to hang their wet clothing or their towels after their morning shower. So we also purchased this amazing bike shelter that we also house as a maintenance shed. We've got our inner tubes, a bicycle pump, a first aid kit.
Before we had these facilities here, the car park was very industrial. We had acrylic sheet here, we had cars parked all over the place. It was chaotic, to say the least. Having changed everything the way it is now, where you've got designated car park spaces and designated places to put your bike, it's a very safer environment to be in. It has changed a lot for the better. I can cycle here at a good pace in 3 minutes, or I can drive here in 5 minutes. So it's actually quicker on the bike.
I used to have a vehicle. Since moving into the town, I can't really justify running a vehicle. Being able to do this now with a bike shed and showers and a drying room and the bike cleaning area and the maintenance area as well just means it's a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable.
I love cycling to work. It just enlivens you up in the morning.
We have a wide range of staff here that have signed up to the cycle scheme, myself being one of them. I feel like I've really benefited from this over the last 18 months. I'm a lot fitter than I was. I feel like I have more energy and I'm quite energised to start my work.